Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with another video. So I'm gonna try some different stuff on the channel now. I'm gonna try do a bit more of a vlog styled video. So yeah, let's try that. Starting off today's video, however, with a bit of sad news hitting the fans of Liverpool today. Sadly, in the early hours of this morning, Portuguese player Diogo Jota has sadly passed away in a car accident, sadly. So my heart goes out to his family and his friends and all his mates at Liverpool as well, because it's going to be quite a big loss. Sadly, he was only 28 as well, guys. So, not really an age to die at, really. Still had life ahead of him. Left behind a great family and a great wife as well. So it is quite sad. But anyway, I'm going to move on from that now onto rumours. As you all probably know, I am quite the car enthusiast. Like, I really love my cars. And I follow like a lot of pages on Facebook about cars, one of them being pretty much a world-renowned Rally, which some of you may have heard of, some of you may not have heard of. The Gumball Rally 3000. Now, those who haven't heard of it, it is literally just a rally for supercars, hypercars, muscle cars. They basically just each year say like a starting place, a finishing place, basically drive to the finishing line. So for example, they could say Edinburgh, don't finish in Milan in Italy or something. And along the way they'd have a few parties at some of the stops and all that. So yeah, but think of my excitement when I heard that this year's Gumball Rally, September 20th to 27th, starts in Istanbul in Turkey, also known as Constantinople, and finishes in Ibiza. So it got my little brain kind of thinking, what if there was a possibility that it could visit Benidorm? Now, I'm probably getting ahead of myself there, because a ton of supercars, ton of hypercars, tons of nice cars, like tons of people. Yeah, probably no way that would come to Benidorm. Probably just sort of like from there go pretty much well, from Madrid or wherever they're stopping in Spain, probably go straight to Ibiza. But whether it be from Madrid straight to Ibiza or whatever they're doing. But there could be a very small smitten of a chance Benidorm may be a stop-off for them. Because from doing a bit of research, yes, I admit I've done a bit of research on whether there would be a possibility of it coming to Benidorm, and unbelievably it has been in Valencia before. So that is one slight possibility it may come to Benidorm. The other being that we have had the Benidorm Bangers Rally, which were a group of lads driving from Birmingham to Benidorm, which kind of like the Gumball Rally, but not as extravagant, shall we say. But with something like that happening, like sort of big-ish scale, there might be a chance that Benidorm does see the Gumball Rally 3000. Now, what will it mean to Benidorm if it does actually happen, you ask? Basically a load of money being brought into Benidorm because all the rich people and all the supercars come in. Of course, probably more tourist people will probably want to come see it. What will happen if it comes to Benidorm? Probably one of many roads here in Benidorm that are big enough to hold about, let's say, 100 supercars, hypercars and muscle cars being closed off for the day, done up as a sort of welcome point for them so the cars can come in. And that will be pretty crazy because it will be full of people wanting to actually see the cars arrive, meet some of their favourite people who have took part in the Gumball Rally. For example, Mark McCann, DDE, Daily Driven Exotics, people like that, me, people like that. And it will be quite crazy because it will be noisy as hell. So, what I'm hoping to get out of this video, well, I'm hoping to get Benidorm Council to maybe get in touch with Gumball organisers and say, well, like, we're a spot on the way to Ibiza, so, like, pay us a visit. Plenty of hotels the lads can stay in, plenty of clubs that they'll be allowed to go to as well, because that seems to be a thing as well. Like each stop off they do on Gumball Rally, they have like the biggest party ever. So yeah, that is one thing I'm hoping, that the council of Benidorm, the mayor, the police, allow it to happen, because I mean, it could be absolutely massive. I mean, I'm not sure of a road that could hold all the cars. Let's say Jamie Avenue, that's the biggest road with like no real blockage in between. So imagine Jamie Avenue, like loads of barriers up, loads of people, then like supercars either side of the road, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Paganis, Bugattis, Koenigseggs, some of the nicest cars ever made. Then after they've done like a bit of a press do, had a bit of a chill, they'll all hop back in cars and off to the next destination. But also I'm hoping for maybe Gumball themselves or someone participating in this year can reach out to me and get me some passes to go to the event itself if it comes to Benidorm, so I can film it all. I mean, yeah, I admit I'm only a small YouTuber, but it will be so amazing that I cannot stop thinking of all them beautiful supercars. So yeah, I think it's time to end the vid now. So I'm gonna say the possibility of it happening is like probably 50-50. I'm gonna love and leave you here, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.